Oh yeah, it's recording. Thank you.
Here we have the video tour.
Yeah. The office.
I don't
Come on, Nick. Murphy's bed. The living room. Say hi, Nick. Now we're gonna go down this hallway. We have a coat closet here. It's pretty big. And then the second bedroom. Big closet. And then master bedroom with, first thing I'll show you, shoe rack.
Maybe they used to have an iron in there.
Possibly.
Possibly.
We could do a shoe rack in the other room too.
What's this thing? Paperweight? Spindle? Anything behind that door?
Huh?
Anything behind that door?
It's the lights over here.
Oh, look, they got little cubbies up there.
Yeah.